In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up apps on Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find the Settings icon in your apps drawer or swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon. This step is essential because the Settings app is your gateway to managing various features on your phone. Once you tap on it, you will see a range of options that control everything from your network settings to your account preferences. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface. It is designed to give you complete control over your device, ensuring you can make adjustments quickly and easily. Next, tap on the Google option in the Settings menu. This is usually located towards the top of the list as it is a core component of the Android experience. By tapping on Google, you are accessing all the Google services linked to your account. This is important because backing up your apps involves integrating with your Google account, which stores your data securely in the cloud. Once you tap on Google, you will see a range of services, each important for different functionalities of your Android device. From there, tap on All Services to view a comprehensive list of Google services available to you. This option allows you to manage various services like Google Drive, Google Photos, and more. You will notice that the list is extensive, but don't worry, we are focusing specifically on backup services today. Accessing all services is crucial because it helps you connect to the specific features that allow for app data backup. Once you tap on all services, you will see options that can significantly enhance your experience with your device. Now, tap on Backup in the list of services. This is where the magic happens, as it directs you to backup settings for your apps and data. The backup option is vital because it allows you to secure your installed apps, app data, and settings. Once you select Backup, you will be able to modify settings related to your backups, which ensures that your information is stored safely in your Google account. After that, turn on the Backup by Google option if it is not already enabled. This toggle is crucial as it allows your device to automatically back up data to your Google account. Enabling this feature means you won't have to remember to back up your apps manually. Your device takes care of this for you, giving you peace of mind. Once this setting is turned on, you will see a confirmation that the backup feature is now active. Next up, tap on Backup Now. This action initiates the backup process for your installed apps and supported app data. You will see a progress indicator on the screen showing that the backup is in progress. This step is vital because it ensures that all the latest data from your apps is saved to your Google account. It may take a few moments, but rest assured this process is worth the wait. You can use this time to relax, knowing your information is being securely stored. Finally, wait for the backup to finish. You'll receive a notification once the backup is complete, confirming that your installed apps and their supported data are now safely backed up to your Google account. This last step is crucial as it gives you peace of mind, knowing that your important app data is secure. Remember, regular backups are essential for safeguarding your information, especially if you plan to switch devices or need to reset your current one. By following these steps, you ensure that your apps and their data are backed up efficiently and securely. Thank you for watching.